Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, January 26th. So I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I still think this is an uptrend. I still believe it's going to stretch out into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I still think it's going to go up and take out these highs. To me, it looks like a big expanding flat correction. So I still think it's going to probably go up, take out these highs before we get another big push to the downside. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame definitely been going down pretty strong as you can see. Now I think there's a good chance this is already a wave three and this is like a one of three, a two of three, and yeah, it may not be done going down yet, but I think eventually it's gonna go up, make a wave three of three, eventually make a four of three, and a wave five of wave three. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, now I got my Fibonacci just on this last wave because you never know. This correction definitely could be just a correction to this wave. We are bouncing out to 78% right now. That definitely doesn't prove that this is the end of an ABC correction, but if it does go up now and if it does start taking out structure, to me that would prove that the correction is over, that we are in the continuation of the uptrend. But like I said, there's really no proof that this is the end of an ABC, and it actually could, probably even more likely, just keep on going down and taking out the low of wave 4 because most wave 2s, if this really is a wave 2, do take out the low of wave 4 before they end up continuing the uptrend for a wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, like I said, I mean, maybe it is an ABC correction. We definitely got a 78% bounce. Now, this impulsive move up with the break of structure really only proves to me that this section of trend right here is over. Now, this very easily could make a correction to this last section of trend and just keep on pushing down. So we definitely want to be able to recognize that if that is the case. But if this does make impulsive movement up and if it does start breaking some of these structures, that's what's going to convince me that this really is the end of an ABC correction. At that point, I definitely would become a longer term buyer, like a buy and hold for the continuation of this uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, we definitely got a nice break of structure. Nice clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down also. We have a 78% bounce. But like I said, this very easily could turn into an ABC correction to this last push down. So if you see three waves up, you see an impulsive move down, then I would definitely exit my longs and I would definitely consider going short for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, on the other hand, if this just keeps on trending up very impulsively and eventually goes up and takes out this structure, that's what's going to turn me into a long-term buyer, and that's what I would be looking for to help confirm that this really is the end of a correction on the longer time frames like the 4 hour and the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.